just because it was a dream when I was a child. It's of course also because it keeps me going. I mean, that's my life. I couldn't live without it, so I still do it 12 years later. And the great thing about this is that I can express myself to everyone. I can express what I really feel, and I can send out a message in a very subtle way, in an artistic way, and in a way that people can take it if they want, and they can leave it if they don't want it. So that's why I do circus today. It's just great. They are so wonderful. They react immediately when you do something, when you make a mistake or when you do something impressive. They really show their feelings, and they're so spontaneous. They're really open, and it's great. It's a very warm audience.
是有什么契机开始学这个东西呢？
因为我以前很早的时候呢，就喜欢做一些这些压腿呀，以及是类似这样瑜伽的柔韧的一些运动。然后呢，就是说那天看到是周女士在那边做这些动作的时候呢，非常的感兴趣，所以说是希望能够说跟她学习一些新的知识和技巧。
So how was this workshop?
It was really fun. Nice students.
How many students do you have?
2.5. 3, but one left halfway. I think it got too hard for him.
Are they good?
Yeah, they are really good. And the most important thing is the willpower, you know, and they definitely had that.
I think one of them is full of passion. Right?
Yes, for sure.
Have more Chinese students in this one.
I think just if we do it again, but it's not really a planned thing. It was a spontaneous, and it was an idea of I don't know his name. This very passionate student. It was his idea, so I think we do it again.
Yep.